Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today you find me in a little small town just north of Skegness called Ingoldmells. Ingoldmells is a great little place, lots of things to do, and it also has a massive theme park called Fantasy Island. But first we're going to check out the reggae bars, have a look at the ice cream parlours, check out the fish and chip shops and all the amusements. Come on, let's go.
Yo, Itsajackslife, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel, planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. Itsajackslife, adventure's great.
So as you can see, we're starting on the seafront here, and there's a beautiful big beach and a very calm sea. At least very calm today anyway, if you're in the mood for a paddle. Just up here they have the land train, Little Thomas the Tank Engine land train, which you can go on a trip with. I think it's £1 a go. But we're going to walk up here, check out the reggae tiki bar, which looks good, and then it's got the world's smallest pier as well. All the seaside trinkets you need, inflatables, dinghies, spades, then we got the fresh seafood, and of course the rock shop at the end. But I think we're going to go grab a drink in the tiki bar. So we've gone for the mojito. Apart from spilling it, that was delicious. Not too bad either, $7.95 for a mojito. I don't know, that's too shabby. Well, that was delicious. Let's go check out the rest of Ingoldmells. Right, let's go check out the world's smallest pier. The sound might go weird because there's music playing, so I might have to take the background music out of this to so you can get fish and chips on the pier or an ice cream. It's not really worth even walking on there, the world's smallest pier, but and then this bar on the corner's got a main stage karaoke. Mojito cocktail sports bar, sounds like my kind of place. So we've got bars all the way down here, Havana's and Oasis bar. there's a big arcade to the side here, Sun City. There's a fish and chip shop here called Sea View Fish and Chips. I don't know why, because you can't actually see the sea, but I've eaten there before. The chips are amazing. And then we got the main strip of Ingoldmells here. All the attractions on. Really is pretty busy today. Another arcade. Then we get some restaurants further up. Grabbers. Go check out the arcade. It's so busy today, it's actually a bit quieter in the arcade than it is outside. Oh, Time Crisis, my favourite. There's even a bowling alley here. The old fruities. Where is he now? All these VR games popping up everywhere, aren't they? Bullseye. Now we're talking. Have a look at what you could have won. Big bounty hunter. Shoots and game. Guitar Hero over here. Like he thinks I don't know. Come on. Where's those baddies at? It's time to take some baddies down. Oh yeah. Everyone died.
Can you hear me? There's been an information
missed every single one of them. Yeah, got him in the leg.
Involved in this
Headshot. Boom.
Return fire.
Where's the grenade launcher? Here we go. Grenade. Die. Turns out I died. We're gonna have to come back in a bit. That's the arcade. We've got the Garrison pub just opposite, the Irish bar. Then we go up here and across the road, and then we're next to Fantasy Island. which, if you've never heard of Ingoldmells or been around here before, it is literally hilarious how big of a roller coasters they've got just on the side of a road. Absolutely huge. Let's go for an explore. So obviously we've got Fantasy Island to the left, and then on the right here we've got some clothing stores, get some sunglasses, everything you need really. If you've never heard of Ingoldmells, it is well worth coming and giving it a go. If you're near Skegness, or if you want to come visit this just on its own, it's well worth the trip. We're just going to carry on walking up here a bit just to show you a couple of the bars. Windbreakers, water guns, get your marijuana bucket hats. What more could you want? This is the Villager pub and hotel. Pretty famous spot around here. You can see very lively, very popular.
There you go, she's over 80. Is that your name, Sharon?
So now we're going to take a look at the other end of Ingoldmells. So this road here is kind of the coast road. So if you turn right at the crossing where you're with Fantasy Island, if Fantasy Island is that way and you're facing that way, you turn right down here, and it's a little bit of a walk, but then you get to this second bit of Ingoldmells, which is a little bit quieter. So there's a little beach bit just up here, and there's a little high street here with again some arcades and a few bars. So we're going to check those out now. Crazy golf course here. Some cars and some slides, and across the road here you've got another massive arcade. It's early in the morning so it's not open yet, but we've got donuts, ice cream, fish and chips, and we've got O'Grady's Show Bar, which is a quality Irish pub just on the side here. Again, across the road you got Bell's Arcade, but we're going to go up here towards the beach. We'll have a look at the seafront. Bit windy today. I'll stand like this, it might cover the wind a bit. So you see up there, that's the other bit of Ingoldmells where the tiki bar is. So just a short walk down the beach. You see the beautiful beach again. There's a few sand dunes start here, and then this goes up to Chapel St Leonards, and then you got Sutton on the Sea, and then finally Mablethorpe if you carry on up the coastline. All this nice big beach. But we'll go back down here and check out the little high street here. Got Bell's Amusements here, arcade, but also has its own cafe. Get yourself a burger and some chips. And you got all your trinket shops on the other side. And there's a few good pubs up here I'll point out for you. Gotta love a dance machine. So just here we've got the Anchor Hotel, 25 ensuite rooms, also got a nice bar in there. And then we've got what I call a tap shop, Wacky Races, literally sells everything and anything. My wife's favourite shop, my least favourite shop. But it's got a cool name, I'll give it that. M&B's discounts. Thanks very much for watching. That's our tour of Ingoldmells. If you want to see more videos on the Lincolnshire coast, click the playlist on screen now. And please don't forget to subscribe, it really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much. Bye bye.
Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.